What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. We're back with another product review, and in today's video we're going to be checking out the Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine, and I'm going to show you guys a must-have in your garage and how to apply tire shine on your tires without getting it all over the place. Alright, so first things first, I gave this car a good wash. I sprayed down the tires and the wheels with a wheel cleaner. I did a lot of videos, so guys check out the channel for different types of wheel cleaners. I cleaned up these wheels. This was a pain right here, but I got all deep into there, cleaned everything up, and cleaned up the tire. You don't want to apply any type of tire shine on a dirty tire. So now let's see what we're working. Right here is the Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine Extra Shiny Tire Shine. Now let's see how to apply this. So this right here, Adam's Polish, this is a must-have in your garage. This works magic right here to apply any type of tire shine. I apply it directly onto here and then go carefully around to get just as much as I need on the tire, not a lot, because you don't want to make your first turn and get all the tire shine all over the side of the car. So I'm gonna spray this with the Chemical Guys, apply it, and I'll show you guys the end result. Alright, let's check out the end result and how it looks. So in my opinion, this tire shine is really nice. It says extra shiny. I don't see too much shine. Like sometimes people like it to be looking like it's a wet tire and too greased up. I like it like this. But once again, I'll link this item in the description below, and this right here is definitely a must-have. If you want a different tire shine, go for a different type of a finish of a look. But this applicator pad, in my opinion, is a must-have because it makes things easier and you don't get too much tire shine later on when you start driving in your quarter or on your fender because you spray down too much. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. The items will be linked in the description below, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.